This is an update on MSTR MicroStrategy. We have the daily time frame here on Bitcoin, each candle representing a day here. We have a primary trend line off the January 2020 lows here. We had this shoulder looking top breakdown, and looks like we put in a sell signal here off a pretty decent falling three method pattern, a bearish continuation pattern there. Again, a break below that 236 fibs retracement, 38,419 price support is usually met with some pretty violent reactions. There was this first break here, 13.9%. Huge breakdown right here for 21%. Again, we broke down again several times. You know, you get the picture here. Every single time we've broken below this 236 fib retracement level has been met with some pretty violent selling here. Here's 24%. Again, you get the picture here, but here we are breaking down here. Have some pretty negative and bearish, very steep divergence now on the RSI, very steep, and MACD is pretty much just flatlined and a breakdown below its zero line. PPO on the oscillator just waiting for its confirmed negative divergence again on a breakdown below its zero line too. And where am I going with this? All this here, this is a breakdown. This is Bitcoin. Technical indicators and momentum indicators are completely damaged here on the daily time frame, and that'll take me to MSTR, who are heavily invested in Bitcoin off a hidden primary trend line here. Beautiful reaction, plenty of reaction to validate it over several long years here, especially the inside of some of these candles, 1, 2, 3, several times here. You get the picture. But again, here we go. We had a pretty steep, I had mentioned 327.27 as a pretty solid shorting knob in my previous video here, and we did start to break down here, and as soon as we start to we hit some stops that got hit here, and so far that has been good for a 5.7% drop. We're still down, 2.5%. We definitely put in a steep negative divergence here on the RSI. We got RSI divergence confirmed, if anything. Breakdowns below the zero lines and crossovers here on both the oscillator and MACD, and I think a red candle tomorrow would probably validate and not confirm that move there, and probably a backfill of this upper gap here at that 298.89 price support, and when that's taken out, that should confirm it, and I believe the selling should come quicker down to this 278.13, which will really 278.13, which will fill the bottom of that gap there, and a huge break below that, and that's when I believe the selling starts to intensify off that huge air pocket, and a lot of people that are still stuck in this company off that volume at price indicator around this 600 688 range. A lot of people are going to be stuck up here, and once they start to see these levels go, I just believe there's going to be a lot of margin calls. There is no choice where the brokerage begins selling the stock for them instead of them selling it manually. So this is what I believe we'll get, and we'll see if it's confirmed. Anything else significant develops, I'll let you know.